welcome back to my channel. It's Rifa. Another holiday, another discount, and another shopping. Today I want to unbox Nike sneakers that I purchased online. It is not easy to find the right sneakers for me, and I'm very picky because I love walking in a pair of very comfortable sneakers, because after walking like for a long walk, but my feet, they are still like relaxed, like not hurt or like, sore or aching. I don't like that, but that's why it is very important for me to find the right sneakers. So the ones I had, they've been with me for like 4 years now. They've been with me for a long time wherever I travel to, because they were so very comfortable and I love walking with them. However, after sometimes they got worn out, became like less comfortable, so it is the right time now for me to purchase the new pair. I have researched some brands, and also from the price, and then from the material, and then the reviews and how comfortable they are. So I found this pair. Ooh, let's pull it here. Come on. Oh, here. Oops. Yeah. And tada! I purchased this directly from their the brand online store, and it was pretty fast. I actually, like within 2 or 3 days, they're here. They arrived. Wow! So I can't wait to try this. Nothing. Hey! Oops! Can you read what's written on this box? It is a very informative box, I would say. Move to Zero is Nike's journey toward zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. That's really kind. Whew. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ta-da! Whoa, look at them. Yay, a pair of new sneakers, and they are blue. That's another important details that I have to have when I purchase sneakers, since I got to wear them like very often. I got to take them everywhere I go, so it must be something blue because I love blue. There's no card, nothing, just the box. So I'll keep this one. Let's put it here. Oh my gosh, look at this. They are so pretty. Oh, blue. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're even bluer than I thought they would be, because online the color was like rather, darker. I thought it would be like, maybe I wouldn't like it because less blue, but now I can see it's like really blue. So this is a pair of Nike Revolution 6 Next Nature Women's Road running shoes. I do walk a lot, so this can be very comfortable. And wow, look at this, they are very light. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice, I love this. I'm so excited, guys. Let's take this. Oh my god, they're so hard to get. Plain so hard to get, huh? Alright. Come on. So annoying, huh? Finally. Let's talk about the price first. The original price for this pair on Nike's website, it was $70 US, but during the Black Friday deals, it became $48.78 US, more or less $49 US. It's like a good brand and very light, very good details. And after the tax, it became around $54 US, 53 point something. So I think that's fair enough. And of course, free delivery, free shipment. What I really love about this is like made of recycled material. One of the reasons why is their motto, Move to Zero, is Nike's journey toward zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sports. So I feel like I'm doing something good already for the future and for the environment by buying these shoes. And they're cheap, right? You have to admit that these are very cheap. I mean, like compared to like another Nike things, some more expensive style, they're not really useful for my purpose, like walking. They may be really useful for fashion or like hanging out or things like that, but for me, walking, they are the best. The design of this pair is touch points at the heel and tongue create a natural feel. As you put the shoes on and take them off, like, you know, it's easy. And it is very comfortable because the material is breathable. This design is very comfortable for you or for me from start until finish, from the time I put the shoes on and until I take them off. This is like very easy to maintain, very easy to clean. And for the recycle part in the shoes, they are contain 20% of recycled content by weight. I don't really know the details, but 20% is already helpful for the environment, and I feel so good already. This pair is size 6. I hope they fit my feet perfectly because usually I purchase like the youth size from the youth sections, but when I check on the website, they didn't have the size that I want. So that's why I went to the women, the adult woman one, and I found this. I check on the chart, the what you call it, the size chart, like the kid size that I use, the youth size that I usually wore, equal to this size 6 for adult. And I can't wait to try them, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like, you know, this new pair of shoes really gives me what you call it, excitement, new motivation, new inspiration to walk more. And this is like the cold time, the weather is nicer, so why not? I can't wait to walk more. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been really informative to you. You love this video, and do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.